Hello and welcome to the Global Fashion Workshop channel. Let me remind you that we post a new video 3 times a week. We are continuing to work with our palazzo pants. Here's our sketch. We will have very high slide sits with buttons. I draw 7 buttons here, but it could be 6 as well. We will see what is better as we move on. There will be nice slits on both sides, with buttons, which could be undone from the bottom. I know some ladies who walk around with such wide pants with high slits. They just love to unbutton them and feel very relaxed. Today, we will not only learn how to draft, construct this part of our pants, and put it all together, we will also learn how to sew it all. We will have a workshop video on how to correctly finish the slit. These pants are pretty much the same as in my video series about pants. I was thinking about what sewing technique to add to keep us busy and decided that those pants are in fashion right now. They were featured in the last Chanel collection and other brands offer similar pants. So let's be on the same level as them. I think we deserve to be on the same level as them. These pants will be such a beautiful addition for the spring to our wardrobe. That is why, first things first, let's see where our slit will start. I put our side seams together. I would start our slit from this point. It is important to put those marks next to each other, because if we will make them separately, it would be easy to make a mistake. The front leg panel I will put aside. No, actually, let's keep it for a second. We will first see how many buttons we need. We have 2 types of buttons, and both are French. I have to say, French buttons are my weakness. If I know it's French, I will love it immediately. We will have many. Let's count 6 on each side. Just imagine how fabulous these pants will be. Absolutely fantastic. Now I will put the front panel aside. In front of us is the back panel. Let's check. I left 4 centimeters for the hem on the previous pants. 6 centimeters was definitely too much. I will add 4 centimeters, but fold 6 centimeters, because for me it was a little too long on the first fitting. Look at our grease line. Here it is. These are the same pants as the violet ones. We just copied them onto a new paper. It is convenient. Keep them in file so that you will have no problem in the future.
Можно хранить в файлике, никаких проблем не возникнет, и очень хорошо. Линия заутюжки у нас, вот она идет, чтобы вы понимали.
I will repeat it all over again. The straight grain is right here.
Когда отработан крой, я не устаю повторять одно и то же. Когда уже крой отработан, доливая. Доливая нить. Вот она. Значит, что? У нас вот эта линия.
Here it will be parallel to the selvage. Do it with a ruler.
Вы в любом месте вот так возьмите, она у вас абсолютно точно. Параллельно. Теперь что? В чем разница передней и задней половинки?
Now, what is the difference between the slit of the front and the back legs panel? When we will work with the slit, the front panel will have 5 centimeters for the slit, while the back panel will add 10 centimeters. Why is that? You will see it all in a moment. I'm ready to start the drafting.
И я уже готова кроить на самом деле.
I have the fabric. It is 2 meters and 15 centimeters. We will draw the side seam line. In this part, we will baste the grease line. We were thinking for a while about how to combine this all into one lesson, but we could not figure out how to officially cover the whole process in one video. For now, I will draw straight from this point. I loved my violet pants. They fit me very well. Don't think about it for too long. The pattern is already done and proven. We will learn together how to baste the grease line, work with interfacing, how to press, baste, absolutely everything. Here is our notch. I will mark it black. And here on the inside seam is another notch. It's our knee line. This is how the back panel of our palazzo pants will look like. The front panel, the grease line, which is strictly parallel to the selvage. The distance is the same in every length. The length has plus 4 centimeters.
И мне нужно сейчас пристроить для шлицы 5 сантиметров.
I need 5 centimeters to construct the slit.
Очень модно такие брюки.
These pants are very trendy, and many fashion houses have featured them. And just like that, I'm starting to cut. I think that the first pants, the violet ones, I did with the slash and open technique. Those who already made these pants make a pattern on a new paper.
Ой.
On the front leg panel, it is obligatory to baste the grease line. We tend to think that we can just do it in any order, but it is better safe than sorry. You will look at yourself in the mirror and see that everything is correct from the beginning. The slit of the first panel is 5 centimeters.
Начало шлицы 5 сантиметров. Задняя половина.
The slit on the back panel, 10 centimeters.
И так мы раскроили. Надо подзапастись
Have patience. Baste everything first. The beauty of your lines depends on it. It is important. Don't mind that it looks a little off here. Now you have to draw beautifully. This line I drew with a ruler.
Нанесла линию под линейку. Вот видите, сантиметр.
You see 1 centimeter here. I will pin it and transfer it to the other side.
Иголочками буду переносить линию на другую сторону.
I draw the line with the ruler. Do you see how precise I am?
Видите, как я стараюсь, чтобы у меня все было точно. О, похвалила себя неудачно.
Oh, I praised myself and did it badly. It's okay. I see where the line has to go correctly.
Также линию за утюжки я проколола булавочками.
I pinned my folding line as well. Now let's take it off.
Снимаем.
We drew the line from the both sides. Now with the help of the pins, we will transfer this line onto the other side.
Вот это у нас с обоих сторон уже прорисовано. Теперь вот эту линию переносим булавочками на другую сторону.
Those who want to do similar pants for the summer can use linen, cotton, or crêpe.
Летний вариант. Ой, вы порадуетесь. У нас есть лен, у нас есть хлопок, у нас есть креп, у нас есть что? Ну, короче, у нас есть все.
This is the wrong side. Take out the pins and start basting, and when you will see the finished slit, you will understand the importance of all the preparatory work we are going to do right now. One would think it is all the same, press more or less here, fold more or less here, but no. The basting stitch serves to mark a specific line or place.
А так кажется, ну там по линии заутюжил примерно, ну и шлица так и так будет хороша. А нет. А нет.
Now I will baste it and show it to you.
Прокалочный шов делается для обозначения какого-либо линии или места.
The rest of the basting I already will do behind the cameras.
Уже буду метать за камерой.
Even so, we will have a fold here. Please baste to the end.
Пожалуйста.
Right now, we are doing the preparational work for constructing our slit. This is what it looks like. And now imagine what a pleasure it is to work with this line. It will not disappear after steam pressing. You will get the perfect line after folding the fabric along the threads. Of course, it would be a reflection of the beauty of our slit. These are the basting stitches on the fold line.
По второй части за камерой, и мы перейдем уже к задним половинкам.
The second part I will do behind the cameras, so we will now start with the back panel legs.
А дальше вам понятно. Прокладочные швы у меня по сгибу шлицы.
This time, I did not baste the grease line in front of you. I showed it to you once. I think that you
На
understood.
задней половинке брюк, вот по началу шлицы.
The basting stitches I have on the fold of the slit, and I have the basting stitches on the back panel along the slit line. Do you see how the side seam has to come here? Not to the very edge, but 1 centimeter from the edge. Pay attention to these moments. It is important. I just hate having to add extra unnecessary work. 1 centimeter from the edge. The basting stitches on the fold line of the back leg panel. Here they are, and I close the back dart. I hope everything that we are doing was clear up to this moment. You will see the rest in our next video. We did all of the preparational work. This is why making our slit will be easy and fun, because everything is clear. Now I will say goodbye. Press like, share videos on social networks, subscribe to our channel if you didn't do it already. Thank you for watching. Irina Mikhailovna and the rest of our team.
Всего хорошего. С вами была я, Ирина Михайловна, и вся наша